Here in this video I am taking question number 2 and 3. So question number 2 first part. Question number 2 is examine whether the following statements are true or false. So in first part, AB is not a subset of BCA. A and B, these two elements are here. So AB is subset of BCA. So it means this statement is false, right? This statement is false. You can write false here. I'm making the cross or right here. You can write false. A comma E is subset of X. This is set X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. In this set, we have all vowels of English alphabet A, E, I, O, U, and these are the two vowels. So this statement is true. So we can put this right here. You will be writing the true or false here, right? 1, 2, 3 is subset of 1, 3, 5. Here we have 2 which is not here in the second set. So this statement is false. It is not a subset. Then A is subset of this set ABC. Yes, it is true. Then A, this subset A, yes, set A belongs to ABC. It is false. Right? The next is X is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number less than 6. So we have these two natural number less than 6. So the answer is 2 and 4 less than 6. X is a natural number which divide 36. X is a natural number divide 36 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then we have 9, 12, 18 and 36. We have all these elements in the second set. Okay? In first set we have 2 and 4. In the second set we have all these number. So obviously the first set is subset of second set. This condition is true. Right? Now question number 3. This is very important and you have to understand this question. Set A contain these elements 1, 2, second element, 3, 4. This is also a element. And this element contains these 2 and 3, 4. So whenever we have to write 3, so we cannot write 3 here separate because along with 3 always 4 will be coming. So this complete makes one element of the set A and 5 is the fourth element. Then which of the following statement are incorrect and why? Dear student, whenever any set contains this element, I am taking this example, set A. This is one example, right? Understand this example. A is A is containing this set, which is a one element. It has one element A. So how to use the symbol? See carefully. A belongs to set A. This is 2 because A is element of set A. Then A is subset of A. Whenever we have to write subset, so we always use the bracket. So this is also correct. And you know power set is collection of subset. So this is the element of P of A. So this is also correct. And this A is subset of P of A. This is correct. So this is the way to write all these elements. Clear? So understand this example very carefully. Set A contain this element A. So A element of A. I think it is clear. A element of A. This point is clear. Then this this point is clear. Then element A, because we have made this subset here, this A subset A is the subset of A. This element comes in the braces, so now it is a subset of A. This subset A, element of P of A, because what is P of A? P of A is power set of A. Power set contains all subset of set A. So this is one subset of set A. So it is element of P of A. Then this element, again we write this element in the double braces. So it is a subset of P of A. So these are the method to write the element and subset here. So see it carefully. Now I am taking this example. 3, 4 subset of A. 3, 4 in the braces, it is as a element because whatever is given in the set, whether it is in this form 2 or in this another form, so it is an element of set A, so it is not a subset, so this statement is incorrect, right? 3 comma 4 belongs to A. Yes, 3 comma 4 is element of A, this statement is true. 3 comma 4 in the braces, now you can see 3 comma 4 is the element, it is in the braces, subset of A, yes it is true. 1 belongs to A, yes it is true. 1 subset of A, because 1 is the element of set A, it should be in the braces, this statement is incorrect. 1 to 5 subset of A, 1 to 5 are the elements and these elements are in the braces, so therefore it is a subset, this point is correct. 1 to 5 belongs to A, no, these are the element and these element will be written as in the separate form. 1 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A. 1 2 3 subset of A, no, because we cannot make 3 separate here, so this is incorrect. 5 belongs to A, 5 is not an element of this set A. 5 is subset of every set, not an element, so particular for this set, so this is incorrect. 5 subset of A, yes it is correct. 5 is subset of A, because 5 subset of A, it cannot be written in this form here, so this point is incorrect. So in this video I have taken question number 2 and 3. In next video I will be taking the remaining question.